Intrusive sounds, the invisible bridge in English speech. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and crucial part of English language pronunciation, intrusive sounds. Intrusive sounds act like bridges between words when we speak in English, making our speech more fluent and natural. We're going to discover the most common intrusive sounds in English and how to use them correctly. Let's get started. Intrusive sounds are additional sounds that we naturally insert between words when we speak in English. They serve to connect words in a way that makes our speech more fluid. Interestingly, they often appear without us even realizing it. 3 of the most common intrusive sounds are R, with, and J. Intrusive R is a sound that we often insert between words ending in a vowel and words beginning with a vowel. For instance, we say, I saw a movie, instead of I saw a movie. This intrusive R makes the transition between words smoother, and it's particularly common in non-rhotic accents like British English. Intrusive with comes into play when a word ends with oo, and the next word starts with a vowel. For example, in the phrase, do it, we actually say, do, with it. This slight, with sound acts as a bridge between the 2 words, making the phrase sound more connected. Last but not least, intrusive, J, is added when a word ends in I skeptical smiley face, or A, and the next word starts with another vowel. In a sentence like, he is intelligent, it would actually sound like, he, J, is intelligent. This subtle J sound connects the 2 words, giving our speech a natural flow. And there you have it, a quick but detailed look at the common intrusive sounds in English. Remember, R, with, and J are your invisible bridges that help your English sound more fluent and connected. Don't be afraid to use these sounds in your everyday speech. They're there to help you, not hinder you. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!